Hello movie lovers, Bob for Bob's movie review here, and today I'm bringing my unboxing of Guilt on DVD. This one is available now and was sent to me for review by GVN Releasing. It does include DVD, Janet Shay, Hayley Flowers, Guilt, Vengeance for the Victims. Here is a look at the spine. It's kind of cool. If you guys notice that this picture wraps around. Neat touch. Let's see, we do have lots of images here from the film. Angered by all the child abuse in the world, a former child psychologist goes vigilante, targeting child sex offenders. However, disturbing revelations about a former case cause her to question whether she's gone too far. Let's see, this one is in English 5.1 surround, English 2.0 stereo, and subtitles of English and closed captions. I'm not sure what the difference is there, but it has a runtime of 102 minutes. It is a thriller, and it is not rated. Here is your side-by-side look. If you guys have seen this one, love to hear your thoughts without spoilers down in the comment section below. Let's check out the inside. Alright, so the DVD matches the bottom portion of the cover art. I just noticed too, she's dragging a body there. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, and be sure to watch for my review. Remember, you can find more information, including affiliate links to purchase Guilt down in the description below. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos, check the suggested videos, and for more movie news, check out my website, bobsmoviereview.com. And I'll see you guys next time.